Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to show you how you can utilize the power dialing or auto dialing option from our application MySalesDialer. So for that you need to visit MySalesDialer application, and here from the main menu you just select my contacts and whatever list you want to call, if you have a custom list or campaign from there also, or if you have all the contacts if you want to call, so you can go here and to see what all options are available. So we have sweep option, we have explore option, then we have fast dial option. So these all options are available for power dialing, and to know the details how they work, you can just click on help on dial modes. So it will tell you the details, what does the fast dial do, what does the sweep do, and what does the explore do, right? So it will start dialing everyone from the contact from the selected radio button. This mode will not ask for your permission whether to dial next person, right? So that is what fast dial. In sweep, every contact will be selected radio button. This mode will ask for your permission whether to dial next person or not. So that is there in the sweep. And in explore, it starts dialing every contact from the selected radio button without prospecting. So that's the difference between the fast dial, sweep and explore. So but all the options are great, if you want to call a lot of numbers. So these options will be definitely helpful to you. Thank you.